How do you write effective user stories for your product backlog? Imagine trying to build a puzzle without knowing what the picture looks like. Writing user stories is like giving clear pieces to complete that picture. When you craft user stories well, your team understands exactly what needs to be built and why. First, use a simple template. Say, as a user role, I want goal or feature so that reason or benefit. This keeps everyone on the same page about who the story is for, what they want, and why it matters. Focus on the user, not just internal processes. Think about specific personas or roles, like a customer or an admin, instead of vague descriptions. This makes the stories more relevant and user-centered. Keep stories small enough to finish in one sprint, which is usually two for weeks. If a feature is big, break it into smaller stories or group related ones as an epic. This way, progress stays visible and manageable. Define clear acceptance criteria for each story. These are the conditions that must be met for the story to be considered complete. For example, if the story is about a login feature, acceptance criteria might include the ability to log in with a valid email and password, and an error message for invalid credentials. This helps developers know exactly what to deliver. Prioritize stories based on the value they bring to users. High-value features that solve urgent problems or generate revenue should come first. This keeps the team focused on delivering the most impact early on. Work closely with stakeholders, users, and your team to refine stories regularly. As you gather feedback or learn new details, update the stories to stay relevant. This continuous refinement keeps the backlog aligned with current needs. Use user story mapping to visualize the user journey. This technique helps you see how stories connect and what order they should be developed in. It makes planning releases and sprints much easier. Write stories in plain language, avoiding technical jargon. The goal is to make sure everyone, from developers to stakeholders, understands what is needed without confusion. Always capture the why behind each story. Explaining the purpose or benefit helps the team stay focused on delivering real value, not just building features for the sake of it. By following these steps, you can create a product backlog filled with clear, user-focused stories. This approach supports Agile practices by enabling continuous delivery, quick adaptation, and better collaboration. When your stories are well-crafted, your team can work more efficiently and deliver features that truly meet user needs.